Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the equalizer on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Choose Sound from the options. Tap Equalizer in the top left of the sound settings. You can now change the bass, mid and treble levels. You can use the plus and minus buttons or slide the slider up and down with your finger to change the levels. You can tap Reset in the top left to reset the levels back to default. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.